lesson is percentage ranks and percentiles. Percentage ranks and percentiles. PRs and Ps. Right? Now, to do these problems, we have to get upper real limits and PCFs. I think you can remember how to get these upper real limits and PCFs. Here we have real limits and we take the upper real limits. Upper real limits, and we have frequencies. We know how to calculate the cumulative frequencies. And then you get the percentage cumulative frequencies, PCF. So to get the percentage ranks and percentiles, we have to have two columns, upper real limits and PCFs. Upper real limits, PCFs. Right? Now here today I'm going to teach you the technique of doing these problems, not the theory part of this, right? There are certain things that you'll have to remember. Actually, these are shortcuts or tricks. One thing is, once you have taken these two columns, go to these upper real limits. What are these upper real limits? They are marks. On this marks column, you write percentage ranks. What's the shortened form? PR. Here you write PR. Okay. And on this PCF column, frequency is no number of students and a percentage, right, out of 100 percentage. And there you write P. That's the first trick that you will have to do. Alright, on the marks column, write PR. On the PCFs column, write P, percentages. You can remember like this here, upper real limit, R is there, so PR. Here just P, right? Don't get these things mixed up. Then the whole, the process will be wrong, right? Marks are like this, remember, on the marks column, PR, and on the frequency PCFs, write P. Then, now we'll go to the questions, right? Usually you will get questions like this at the exam. They will ask, what is PR 42? Or, what is the percentage of students who scored less than 60? What is P86? Or they'll give you your percentage. The lowest 10% failed the test. What is the pass mark? So you can identify there's a pattern. Either they will give you the mark and ask for the percentage. They will give you the mark and ask for the percentage. Or they will give you the percentage. See? The lowest 10% failed the exam. They will give you the percentage and ask for the mark. That's the pattern, right? Either they will give you the mark and ask for the relevant percentage, or they will give you the percentage and ask for the relevant mark. Right? Those are the two ways they do. So, we'll take the marks column when they give a particular mark and ask for the percentage, right? I'll erase these two. They are related to the right. Now what's the first process? they will give you a mark and ask for the percentage, the relevant place. Okay. Now you tell me, what is the percentage of PR or the mark 64.5? Answer is 86. What is the PR 49.5? Answer is 48. What is PR 69.5? 94. What is the percentage of the mark 29.5? 4. What is PR, here PR column, PR 44.5? 32. Suppose they ask, what is PR 42? What is PR 42? Now the question is this, PR. Now I am going to tell you one very important point, right? Sometimes these questions are not easy to understand. Don't try to understand the question. What you have to do is identify whether the mark is given or the percentage is given. Right? Lakuna deelada natham percentage ekada deela tiyene question ekේ. Right? In this case, what has been given? What is PR 42? PRs are what? Marks all. So the mark is given here, PR. Say, what is the percentage of students who scored less than 60? 60. What is this? Who scored? Marks, no? So 60 is given. So once you have identified what is given in the question, මොකද්ද අහන්න කියලා බලන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. මොනකද්ද දීලා තියෙන කියලා බලන්න. ලකුණද percentage. If they have given the mark, what you have to do? Take that mark to this column, PR column. Okay. Now they are asking for what? PR 42. So they have given the mark PR. Now find where's 42. 42 is here, in between these two. Draw a line like this, right? We need PR, it's the PR 42, subscript, no? PR 42. You have to write it straight, right? PR 42. That is here. Put an arrow. Now, then write like this. This is mechanical. Just learn this mechanical way and you can answer the questions. PR 40. That's what you'll have to find. Underline it. Okay. Then there's this method. Take this upper value. We know PR 44.5. What is PR 44.5? 32. Always take this upper value, the value above the arrow. 44.5 is 32. Then the lower one, PR 39.5. What is that? 39.5? 22. We have to find PR 42. Do we know this? No, that's what we'll have to find. Put a question mark. Right? So far, what did we do? We identified what is given in the question. Given. Deela tiyenne. Here the mark is given. So go to the marks column. Right? And find the relevant place. Put an arrow. And then you'll have to write the value above the arrow. PR 44.5 equals 32 and the value below the arrow 39.5 equals 22 and write like this. Also we have to find PR 42. Then the next step, find the differences between these values. Now what's the difference between these two, 32 and 22? And here don't worry about the minus plus, right? Just get the difference. Here it is 10. What's the difference between 44.5 and 39.5? 0, 14. So it is 5. The difference is 5. Don't worry about plus minus, right? Once again. Then get this difference. This difference. What is that? 42 minus 39.5. 39.5. Right? I have told you how to get the difference. It's like this now. So 10. Here it is 5. And here it is 11. 1. So take 1. 11 minus this one. 2. 2.5. So put 2.5 here. Alright. That's the next step. Finding these differences. Now what you have to do is write like this. I told you I'll teach you the mechanical way. Now there's this question mark now. Write the value above this question mark. What is that value? 22. Put plus mark. Yeah, actually the theory, I'll explain the theory later. The idea is now we have to find the relevant value here. So it should be something plus 22, no? 22 something. Then you can find this value. That's why we are putting this 22 here. Open brackets, and you'll have to add something. Now how can you find that? It's like this. 10 mangoes are 200 rupees. We need 7 mangoes. So how much? What do you have to find? 200 divided by 10. Then we know the price of 1 mango. Then multiply that by 7. Right? This is the theory we are going to apply here. Yeah? Then we write 10 divided by this difference. 5 multiplied by 2.5. Okay, this is 2.5. Now you'll have to do the calculation properly. That's why I asked, gave you practice activities on the basic mathematical operations. So here you can find 2. You do it properly, and here it's 5. So here the answer is 22 plus 5. Then it's 27. That's the answer. 27. Then make a 2.5. 2.5 multiplied by 10. 1 decimal place. 25. 25 divided by 5. This 5. It's 5. Right. The technique is easy. All right. That's the answer for this question. We'll do another problem. We are going to do the second one now. The same theory. What do we have to do now? Read the question. What is the percentage of students who scored less than 60? Identify what is given, whether the mark is given or the percentage is given. What is given here? A mark, right? Then what we have to do? We have to take that particular mark to the relevant column, right? We have to find PR 60. The mark is given, mark column PR 60. Now where's PR 60? Here it's in between these two values, right? So you put this arrow. Then write PR 60. Okay. Now you are going to calculate PR 60. So what's the next thing? Now this is the arrow. You'll have to take the value above the arrow. So we write PR. Not simply 64. PR 64. PR 64.5 equals, what is that? 86. Then the other one. PR 59.5 equals 74. We have to find PR 60. That we don't know. Next, we have to find the differences. What is the difference between these two values? 86 minus 74. 2, 1, 12. 6 4 2, 8 4 1. Then these two values. 64.5 minus this one, 550. Then 14 minus 9, it's 5. Actually, you will get the class size here. And then the difference between these two. 59.5 and 60. Meva current 60 minus 59.5. You will have to do this manually, right? Here it's 0 now. So 1, it is 5, put the decimal. Here it is 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 0.5. 0.5. You will have to do these simplifications very clearly, correctly also. Right. Now you got the differences. Then what you have to do? Put the equation mark straight away. Write the value above the question mark. 74 plus, here 74 plus something, 74 plus some value, open bracket. Make උඩම තියෙන එක කෙලින්ම ලියන්න එතන. 12 divided by 5 multiplied by 0.5. Then what's the answer? 12 multiplied by 0.5. 12 multiplied by 0.5. You do it in your own way, right? I'm doing it my way. 0 like this now. 12 means 0, 5, 10. 2 decimals, 6. 6 divided by 5. We'll write it 74 plus 6 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5. 1, 5, 1. Put this dot here, 10, 2. 1.2. So here 74 plus 1.2. The answer is 75.2. That's the answer for this question. What's that? What is the percentage of P? The mark 60. Percentage is 75.2. So here 75.2 in between 86 and 74. All right. So today I am going to give you these problems on the percentage ranks. You will have to use this set of data and answer the questions. I'll send you some questions, and this is part 1. Part 2 will be the other way. If they have given you a percentage, you have to find the relevant mark. The same system, but I'll explain it. That will be the part 2, and then we are going to do a mixture, right? Mixture means all these mixed up. That will be part 2. I'll be sending that video either on maybe tomorrow or maybe on Sunday. All right.